In order to access your Stemscopes, you're going to open up Chrome. In Chrome, you're going to go to neisd.net. You'll see that my website, my browser automatically goes there. But if you put www.neisd.net into your browser, it'll go here. Now, if you click Launchpad in this spot right here, it's going to open up a Launchpad for you. You're going to click Sign In. When you sign in, you're going to sign in with your name, which would be NCAFE, the last 4 digits of your student ID number, and then at stu.neisd.net, and then your password should be your student ID number. I showed you this in class. You're going to click Sign In. Once you get into your Launchpad, there's a couple of places you need to go. But for the option of just seeing Stemscopes, I wanted to show you this in the video. So once you open up your Launchpad, it will look a little bit different than mine because mine is the teacher version, but it's still all in the same idea. There's going to be a folder right here called Science. You're going to click it. It's going to open up and you're going to see Stemscopes. You're going to open Stemscopes. Because you already logged into the Launchpad, it will not make you log in again. If you go, yours again will look a little different than mine, but you will have an assignment in your Stemscopes, and it'll be under, I believe it's tasks or my tasks, but you'll see it. Let's see, you're in my first period, I believe. Yes. So when you go to Stemscopes, you're going to see these 3 assignments. Photosynthesis. You won't see the other 3. They're not going to be there until tomorrow, but you'll see this one, and this one. These 3 will teach you what you need to know. Once you're done, if you go to your Google Classroom, which is in your Google folder, if you go into your Google Classroom, sorry, again, yours will look different, but in your first period, if you scroll down, this is the form you need to complete. This is the one that I responded to you. So once you've gone through Stemscopes and read and listened to the videos and learned the information, you're going to click this form and you're going to fill it out according to what you've learned from those lessons. I hope that's helpful for you. Please email me if you have any other questions.